Call me influencer Kyle.
Right, welcome to Amata Spring.
Oh God, is that it? Oh no, it's just a normal Jetta. Never mind. Yeah, this is now our what? Fourth stop of today? Fifth stop of today? Well, I was just commenting on the fact that, like, literally, look at this car park. Beautiful 911. This is a sick-ass Accord wagon over there.
Yeah.
There's a Mega Cruiser there. The cleanest 200, like S13 200 SX I've ever seen. Daimler Jag. Wagon. Slam Dash CL 500. Wagon. E30. Oh, nice E30 over there as well. Another wagon over there. There's a Nick section over there with them X5s.
Yeah.
911s. Mate, the fuzzy mic's tickling my neck.
Look at these bugs. They're quite nice.
Yeah, mate, look, sorry. Look at the E30s. Oh my God, look at it, mate. Look at this E36. Look how clean it is.
It's a compact.
Oh, yes. Compact's best. That is brilliant.
That's nice. With the rims too.
Yeah. Now tell me it's a 323i. Oh, look at the red cloth interior. Now, shame it's a 316. If this was a 323 Ti, that would have been the cake and the balls.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these E30s, dude. Look how clean these are. That is gorgeous. Oh, that thing's on proper aero, like hydraulics and thing. W140 section. Oh man, look at all these 190s. Oh, look at the DTM replica. That's, oh, wagon. And a 2002. It's almost like you don't know where to look. I think that might be a factory four-wheel drive. Okay, that's quite cool.
Good job.
I wonder what it's got under the hood. If it's anything like the other one, it'll have like an LS or something under the hood, but that's actually. This is also actually really nicely done. Super understated.
Nice,
but look at the big brakes, it's got cage.
half cage.
Oh, that's actually done very nice.
It's 348.
That is a 348, yes. And a nice two-door E36. MGB? Oh. So pretty.
GT.
Ooh. Ripe for resto modding.
E38.
2002 is they look good when they're on the floor. Like I wouldn't want one like that. I wouldn't do it like that, but they do look good when they are. Ah, it's another Alpina, many Alpinas. But the Alpina.
These rims.
It's sort of, yes, but they're a bit too big with rubber band tyres.
Okay. It needs a good time.
Yes. But what's the... Oh, it's a nice spec. It is quite a nice spec. I do like a 928. Yes.
Get the condition there.
Like immaculately beautiful. Oh. And another, that's a Testarossa, no? The yellow one?
Oh yeah.
It's a Testarossa or 512, whatever you want to call it. That is gorgeous.
Number plate game strong also.
Huh?
Number plate game. 300.
Oh. My God. Condition is incredible. Oh. Hey, look, Nick. It's a one of those things. Is that a Lamborghini, a stock? No, an Espada. Espada, a stock. The orange thing. You'll see it appear in a sec. Right. Look at the Citroen. Maserati? Yeah. But then it says Citroen on there. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's a Citroen. It's an XM. Why is it got a Maserati? Does it got a Maserati? It does. It has a Maserati engine in it. Yeah, correct. So those are the accumulators. But also, look how crazy. The engine's all the way back there. Look at the extension that they've got coming out to go to the crank pulley, which drives the alternator and everything. And look how weirdly arranged, like the spark plugs and stuff in the cylinder head. It's tiny, but that's actually a V8. Is it?
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, it's got the pneumatics jacked all the way up.
it's a bit like a Proton Iswara, that one.
Well, you know the Tiara was a Citroen.
Oh, really?
The Proton Tiara was a Citroen AX,
Okay.
something like that. Oh. Nick, come have a look at the interior. That is awesome. Auto,
Nice, yeah.
but those seats, I love that. That's cool. B9 3.5. They're all in such good condition.
It's nice too.
Lots of Alpinas here.
Yeah.
So that engine will likely be the same base engine as what we've built in the E30. It'll be a 2.7, unless this is a super rare like 3 litre or whatever. Oh, Volvo wagons! And John would cream himself over the
Oh yeah.
Slandellas.
Yeah. And nice.
I wonder if it's a genuine roof. It says roof on it everywhere.
Yeah. Your E30, Kenny.
Yeah, I miss it a lot.
Seeing all the nice ones
But I
here.
really respect that guy because when it's fully restored, the guy called me from Bintulu. He flew in, he took the car, he put in the ship back to Bintulu, Sarawak.
Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of nice E30s here.
It's an all-time classic BMW, the E30,
Yeah.
regardless. 325, 323.
But
I know a lot of people crazy about the 2 doors though, but the 4 doors are equally fine. If you ask me.
But like you see like in KL, there's quite a lot of E30s in KL, but they're all in not great condition.
Yeah.
You look at how many there are here, and they're all in really nice.
This car looks familiar.
It's on rotiforms.
Can be RWB, right? Like I said, we're not doing something that's so modest.
Smooth fender.
I love me a good pickup truck. Is this not the what are they called? The funnily named alphas? Something with an F or something. Fulvia. Is this not a Fulvia?
No, super. See?
Oh, it's a Julia Super 1.6.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Trans Am.
Can you do the sound that the Transformers make when they change?
No. But I have once on a dare when changing positions in bed gone, Transformers change or whatever it is they say. She was
Transform.
not
They say transform.
or something like that. She was not impressed. We can just blank all of that out.
Okay.
Just like we're going to have to blank out every time I say something wrong. No. AC cars. It's an AC Ace.
This Cobra?
That's an AC Cobra. It's a Shelby Cobra actually. Oh look, 924 turbo.
It's the second sticker I've seen Osborne.
Yes.
This is our Venturi motor. Hi, Puri.
Hi, Nick. How are you? Nice to see you. How long have you been this time?
We arrived last night, and then we go on Monday morning. That's quite nice.
Yeah.
Cool, right? Like, there's this drawers here.
I can fit my own.
Easily. The bed up there. Kyle, they've chopped the roof off. And like it's up
Yeah, I know.
in
It's a sliding. It's a sliding railing.
yeah.
So you slide it open, and then you can get up in there, and that's your bed.
Yeah. That's cool.
You pop that big tent over.